Hey there, health enthusiasts. Welcome back to Natural Home Remedy, your go-to channel for all things natural and wellness. Today we're tackling a topic that affects so many of us, back pain. If you've been dealing with those nagging aches and discomfort, you're in the right place. Stick around because I've got some fantastic natural remedies that can help you kiss that back pain goodbye. Back pain slowing you down. Getting in some simple stretches, using heat, and reaching for the right herbs and foods at home can help relax those tight muscles and get you feeling better fast. Epsom salt baths. 1. Soaking in warm water with Epsom salts can reduce inflammation and relax the muscles. 1. Add 1 to 2 cups to a warm bath and soak for 15 to 20 minutes. 1. The magnesium in the salts provides healing minerals. Massage. 1. Gentle massage from a friend, partner or professional masseuse relaxes tight muscles knots and stimulates blood flow to aid healing. 1. Use a warm carrier oil like coconut or jojoba oil. 1. Focus on the lower back and hips. Acupuncture. 1. Acupuncture is an ancient healing method that uses tiny needles placed in strategic points along energy channels. 1. Sessions have been found to reduce persistent or chronic back pain by improving circulation. Topical pain relief oils. 1. Natural oils like peppermint, rosemary, lavender and eucalyptus provide cooling or warming sensations. 1. Mix with a carrier and rub into the lower back to ease soreness and relax muscles when pain flares up. Inversion. 1. Inversion tables and poses like downward dog, wide leg forward bend or legs up a wall allow gravity to gently decompress the spine. 1. Taking pressure off pinched nerves and realigning vertebrae brings relief. Lifestyle factors like managing stress levels through meditation, getting enough sleep, staying hydrated and maintaining a healthy weight also reinforce back pain recovery and prevention at home. I hope these additional natural remedies provide more options to manage back discomfort. Let me know if you need any specifics on blend ratios, usage or instructions for these home solutions. Try out a few solutions that fit your lifestyle so you have them handy whenever back pain returns. And be sure to subscribe for more natural health and pain relief tips.